The S-Class's Alot is the benchmark for the business, and for clients it offers awesome space, fine detail, superb fit and complete, and chief solace front or back. Mercedes isn't substance to fabricate the best inside on the planet. Presently it needs to ensure purchasers can unwind in the driver's seat. As though excellent materials, quality, fit and complete, and space weren't enough, the 2018 Mercedes-Benz S-Class presently has an Energizing Comfort framework that ties a few inside frameworks together to help mitigate pressure. We officially observed the S-Class's inside to be the benchmark. This equitable adds to the motivations to like it. We give the S-Class a 10 for solace and quality. Empowering Comfort utilizes the atmosphere control, situate radiators, coolers, situate massagers, music, surrounding lighting, and aroma dissemination framework to make 5 distinct projects that range from cool and fearless to warm and quieting. It likewise incorporates 3 training programs that utilization the seat massagers to chip away at tired muscle gatherings. The projects have names like Joy and Well-Being, and they keep running for 10 minutes. It's an oddity to play with them to perceive what they will do, however proprietors will probably subside into finding the program that best encourages them unwind following an unpleasant day. That's a decent thing. Not that getting into the S-Class shouldn't be sufficient. Purchasers can pick from a variety of lacquered and open-pore wood trims, carbon fiber, and an assortment of supple calf skins. The calf skin stretches out to zones of the dash, and delicate touch materials, great wood or metal surfaces are discovered any place the hand may meander. The eminent front seats have wide, long pads and a lot of movability. We discover them cosseting, riding the barely recognizable difference amongst extravagant and steady. The rearward sitting arrangement is open and agreeable also, and it can turn into the better place to be with the correct choices. Among those choices are 2-position basin seats, rubbing seats, raise amusement, a back seat icebox, and a couple of executive rear seat bundles that include such highlights as leaning back seats, up to 43 degrees, with crease-out hassocks, a focal support with workstation plate, and warmed armrests. With these bundles, the front traveler situate propels far and its headrest can be expelled with the seat back leaned back, shaping a chaise-style relax rest space. A major auto, the S-Class likewise has a vast trunk, and in addition a split collapsing back seat with go-through to the storage compartment.